What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Tank grips, one here, one here. Rubber tank grips. They come with sticky pads, which are these. I need to separate the two sides, attach it onto the rear, and then stick it on the bike. This somehow has got to fit here, look nice and neat, and fit in line with the tank pad protector. Let me get one side done. I'll show you the end result, not the process, because I'm by myself. People, this one is tricky as hell. This has two sticky sides. Attach one to that, like so, and same with that one, that way, but on the reverse. So it'd go like this. I have to come inside and align it in here and then stick it on the bike, because doing that outside is not going to work, and I need to get this perfect. Another problem, I've stuck one side down. Now, even though I trimmed it and cut it down to size, there's still some overlaps. So that now is stuck on there. That ain't coming off. Stanley knife, chopping board, placemat really, I just turned it upside down. Trim that white edge, trim that edge, get it all aligned. That side's all right. They clearly leave extra so you can trim it. So people, if you are doing this, make sure it fits properly. Otherwise it's gonna look shit. One Sharpie, one primary school scissors. Never run with scissors. Right people, not as easy as I thought. The sticky pads on the rear, well, I'll show you here. This is how much overlap there is. And then that will obviously show on the bike. Not the white part, but the sticky pad underneath. So it needs to be trimmed. And then on this one, I haven't even measured it out yet, but you can see on the edge, the white overlap. So that needs to be trimmed down to make it fit precise. So I'll have to trim that in here, then go outside and stick it on the bike. Right, we are back outside. These are ready, as you've just seen. Now, again, it's a two-hand job. I need to figure out which one. That clearly doesn't go there, because that's wrong. So it's this one. So I need to peel off the backing of this and slowly but surely attach this onto there like so, and make sure it all lines up and looks the part. You don't want it looking crooked. I'll get back to you once I've done one. So that's the before. People, it's done. I've just seen a bubble, so I need to pull that out, which is here. Right people, one side is done. We had some major problems along the way. Air bubbles, alignment issues, all of that jazz. What a jarring process, but it's done. One side's done anyway. Alignment issues, I've tried my best. Let's go and do the other side. Second side, done. Now it looks like a proper racing bike. The double R, road racing. And for the first time ever, I had a father and son bonding moment. Sod's law, he won't help me for the other side, but he helped me for this side. You need two pairs of hands for this. But yeah, we're done. And now we have tank pads. I want to thank the sponsor of this channel, me, for making all of this happen. And on that note, peace out. See you on the next one.